Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Contagnac, and had a nice long sleep, and I'm ready to get started on a long day. Gonna paint the ceiling. Everyone's been complaining about the color of the ceiling, so I'm going to whiten it up a little bit and give it a little more brightness. Oh, look at my favorite guy in the world here today. Here he is, the local hound. What's up, buddy? He's a beast. He got dreadlocks. He's a monster. All right, let's get to work. My beams dried up nice. I think they were working on this. Oh, nice oven hood action. Beautiful. Really sweet.
So I was doing a little gardening this morning. Mind you, this area here, we're going to have to take all of this out. It looks like it's some animal's nest, but it's just because of all the water and the rain we've been having.
It's the French Bigfoot.
So I was down here looking at all the flowers and deciding what we could do, and I came across this right here. These deadly creatures right here. Look at that. It's a sea of badness. But I said God must have put them on here for some reason.
Yeah, for me to kill.
It's like being burned at the stake.
Yeah, well, they kill the dogs. What if Buford comes by?
Buford?
I really love that dog, by the way. You know, he's got like dreadlocks coming off of him.
Oh, that
I would kind of like to adopt that dog. He's so great. He's so great.
Did you get him on film yesterday?
He came today. He came to the door. He was there. I was like, hey, what's up, buddy? Yeah, I wouldn't mind starting to feed him.
He is the most scraggly looking dog.
All right, well, Victor finished the joints. Look at that. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Great work, Victor. Our friendly neighborhood giant dog just came by.
He's the homeless dog. Le chien.
So Boris, the tile guy, said he left us a surprise, and we thought we found the surprise in this little footprint over here on the right. But actually he said, no, that's not the surprise. The surprise was actually over here in the entrance to the bathroom. This tile has the original date from when it is. And it says the name of the people. Can't get a great view of it, but it's 1845. And it shows who it was from and the I don't know what it says here. I have to get that translated, but that is really cool. Really cool. Original 1845 inscription on the tile. All right, the bathroom tile has arrived. That's the next step. This is our one modern piece in the house.
I hear lots of work going on in there. I'm going to go in and see what's happening.
Yeah.
We had to pick up the plastic because it was getting too dirty. And look at this. Putting in this new tile here. Noah's cleaning up. Noah is doing a lighting map for Bruno. There is no, what is it? There's no Outlook. There's no Excel.
We're going old school. We didn't hire a lighting guy, we hired me.
Yeah.
So I was showing Jenny. So number one is 3 toggles. Number 1 goes here, here, and here.
Who needs spreadsheets when you can just have a notebook? Let's look at your notebook. This is like the most basic with the front cover. Remember those notebooks from like the 80s?
My high school notebook.
And what are you doing over here? Are you being the jardinier?
I'm doing the jardin right now.
Noah's trying to wrap around these vines over here so the flowers come. I'm about to get like knocked out by these branches. Do those have flowers on them though?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
I'd like to get some beautiful, like a rose up here, or the wisteria, or the jasmine. Look at these beautiful purple flowers here. I had to do some trimming in this area because we have a stone pathway here.
So I cleaned this off. This looks great. Now the vines will grow up this and cover this area that Jen keeps complaining doesn't have enough coverage. I think it's gonna look beautiful. All right, Mr. Gargoyle, what's happening?
It's fabulous.
Yes, we have a problem with this because Danielle, the plumber.
Put it too close to the wall. I can't get the tile in there.
I did end up speaking to Danielle, the plumber, about this, but he's under the impression he needs to change the whole evacuation system just to move this pipe. So obviously there's some miscommunication and mistranslation going on here. Moving on to my bathroom over here, we have a problem with the shower floor. Now, I got this ugly shower floor because I couldn't have an Italian shower, which is just flat tiles throughout the whole bathroom, because I'm deathly afraid of mold. So I got this very expensive piece of stone, which is called the Bacadouche. But unfortunately, there seems to be a problem with the angle, so the water is not draining properly. We have to figure something out.
On ne peut pas faire de travaux maintenant. Il faut.
Mets la lumière, vas-y. Mais.
Non, non,
Mais.
non, non.
Non. Ici.
Wait, EC,
No.
but not EC.
Là. Ok.
No,
Léger.
not okay.
Non?
Oh, the smiles today. We have a little problem in the bathroom. The Bacadouche, as they call it.
Bacadouche is like this. It's like a tray.
It's a shower floor.
Yeah, it's a shower floor. And as you can see, this is on an angle. Well, ours is inside the tray. They make an angle to drain the water. But unfortunately, the one we got for Jen has the drain, has a nice angle, and then halfway up, it kind of goes flat. Well, that's a problem because then the water all sits in the back and doesn't drain down the hill. It was a rough day this morning with Jenny with the
We
shower
need
stall.
some good wine, some good food. We came home back to the rental house, did a quick change, and now we're off to lunch.
Where are we going?
We're going to Aups, the St. Mark, our favorite restaurant.
All right, let's go do it. Nice plat du jour, oui?
Bon appétit!
All right, the lunch has arrived.
Ooh, the smell. And you know it's a little chilly day today, so this is perfect.
The chef recommended this nice wine for us.
This is a
We got the La Pan. This is a what?
This is like a cocotte, a little Dutch oven. A confit, again, with some nice polenta.
All right, bon appetit. Well, here's our beautiful dessert. What do you think, Jenny? Get in
It
there.
is a lemon cheesecake with caramel.
Good luck, good luck. Well, we just wrapped up a wonderful lunch.
Our little pause, as they call it.
Little wine left
Little wine.
over.
It was a wonderful meal, and now we're going back to work.
Back to work. Let's go do it. Burning all the vines from last season. Just saw this too. They grouted these tiles in here and these match perfectly. Look at this. You never even know. Wow, that's awesome. That is perfect.
Well, Noah finally got the ladder he always wanted.
It's my birthday present.
You happy with that?
Well, right now, I gotta be able to reach the top of the ceiling. Oh, no problem. I got 2 more steps. Perfect.
That's like me getting a new pair of shoes. Noah getting a new ladder.
All right, let's go see these tiles. All right, Jenny's tiles, I think, look great.
Ta-da-da! Let's see. Nice.
I think really nice. Look at the
Yeah.
floors.
It actually looks really, really nice. You can't see from here. It's kind of like a, almost like an Egyptian tile.
I think it goes well with that tile on the floor,
Yeah, I do like it.
right?
I do like it.
It's really nice.
From this lighting, you can't tell the texture, but and it has a rough texture on it too. So that's nice. All right, now let's go check out Noah's debacle.
Wait till you see this.
Okay. It looks like the same as mine. It's really,
not.
so with the flooring, and it's supposed to be gray, and this looks bizarre. It's almost like the same as
It's
mine.
not. It's not. It's not at all.
Well, we're gonna have to change
Very
this.
smooth.
Yeah, we'll change this.
All right, well, everybody kind of came down on the side of needs a little more whiteness on these ceilings. So it's another late nighter. I'm going to get to work on making this a little brighter. I'm going to get one more light and brighten up this scene and get to more whitewashing. Okay, well, I did the first 3 sections over here, and you can really see the difference now. I'll stand back here. Look how much darker this is. And look at those 3 sections on this roof. So that's it. There it is, 3 sections, perfectly whitewashed. I don't think you can do much better than that. That's a really nice chalky white look. So we're gonna go with that, cover up this browner mishmash look, and get ourselves a nice clean whitewash.
Look at you doing another coat of whitewash.
Yeah.
Are you gonna miss the whitewash?
Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Nobody's ever complained about this whitewash, I'll tell you that much.
No complaints here, no complaints here.
All right, well, I got 2 sections done now. This section and this section. And I still have to do this section over here. See, it's a lot darker. But I think that's the right white now. They took off all the tiles, all the junk, cleaned up the floors. They look incredible, but they're gone. Now we're gonna start over on this thing in 3 weeks. 3 weeks, we're gonna start over and we're going to clean it up and put new tiles on, gray tiles, so that they match the floor. Jenny's in the garden.
Yes, if anyone has any advice, please help me.
I love seeing it. Very happy about
I'm
this.
trying to trim this because this is all dead, I'm assuming, right?
Well, I don't know. It looks pretty dead to me.
So I'm just cleaning this, trying to...
Perfect.
My motto is, because I don't really do any gardening, if it comes out easily, it doesn't want to be here.
Oh boy.
So I just keep taking it all out.
Bye-bye, garden. So what am I doing now? I'm putting the rose tree inside the metal frame so that it grows up, and I'm tying it with these rubber bands, little tie, and keeping it all inside so it starts to learn to grow up.
I can't wait till those roses start.
All right, the tree's done. Next project. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. You know what? These guys just use grinders. Let me get the grinder. Okay. All right, we just wrapped up a great day.
Boris, our tile guy, left. This is our problem for today. We had a problem with the tile in Noah's bathroom. We have to redo all of that.
Yeah.
Boris was like, oh my God. Took everything off the walls. We have to go to the tile shop tomorrow because we have to get new
Fight
tile.
with them about getting the right tile.
It's gonna take 3 weeks to get the other tile, but we did some gardening today. Like I said, I'm not a gardener from New York City. So basically I'm taking all of the dead branches out.
Nice.
Branches that I think are dead.
Okay.
I did this over here. Voila.
Oh, beauty.
It's just clean.
Beauteous Maximus.
Yes, lots more to do. What Noah worked on today,
Well, I did this little beauty.
the rose tree.
Yeah. Look at this, huh?
This
It's
will be
all in there
beautiful.
now. It's all in there. Next year, a big ball of roses.
We come into the Grand Salle à Manger, And he did another white coat, so you could see that even better. It just matches better. It's a little lighter.
That's the end of it. No more white coating. That's it. That's it. It's done.
That's it. And then for the kitchen, I had a lady come today, Beatrice. She is going to, I think we're gonna hire her to treat the floors. How are we gonna treat them? I wanna keep it rustic. I don't want anything that's gonna make them too shiny. So she's gonna clean them, okay? And then she's gonna waterproof them. So anything you spill, if Noah has a little too much wine,
Never.
he spills some wine or coffee, goes right off. This, why don't you talk about this, because
Well,
this is a beauty.
I gotta get concrete poured down here. This is gonna be the walkway, the entrance, and you're gonna have a nice oak beam that we walk on right there. So that's gonna be beauty.
Ooh, I love it.
Sad.
Frank is coming over on Saturday, so I'll check with him again.
He's gonna
to
finish
see.
the oven hood.
Yes, very excited about that. It's quite massive, but
Go stand over there by it.
let's see.
Oh, you fit right underneath it. It's perfect.
The kitchen is arriving next week.
Yeah, that's exciting
That's
stuff.
going to be a project.
Yeah.
And my oven, my holy grail of ovens, is coming on the 31st of March.
Okay.
So let's say a prayer for
All
that.
right. Productive day all around, though. Productive day.
Beautiful day. The sun is shining.
That's right. Beautiful day in Provence today. That's it, guys. Till the next time.
Bientôt.
A bientôt.